Welcome guys. Today's video on the top 5 best pressure washers 2023. A pressure washer is the best way to remove marine life, algae, oil stains, water discoloration, and other types of grime that threaten your boat's finish. These powerful tools are generally classified by either pounds per square inch of pressure or gallons per minute of water flow. SI is the most important stat for boat owners to consider. Light-duty jet washers put out between 500 and 1,500 SI of pressurized water. Medium-duty units range from about 1,500 to 2,800 SI. Anything more than that is considered heavy-duty. If you need more information about best pressure washer, follow the description link. Number 5. Karcher K1700 Cube Pressure Washer. Product details. Larger boats with the capacity to store a power washer on board still need a space-saving design. The Karcher K1700 Cube comes in a range of sizes and power ratings, but the 1700 SI version is the most compact. The spray gun breaks down and stows neatly alongside the hose coil. In addition, available accessories include extra hoses, wand extensions, and deck scrubbers or brushes. A built-in soap reservoir can be removed for filling, and the washer comes with 3 tips ranging from a wide-angle soap applicator to a high-pressure turbo nozzle. Since the machine rests on the ground, the foot pedal on/off switch is very convenient. The Karcher has all metal hose connections as well as a metal handle for transport. It is slightly more expensive than the Greenworks 1501, but at only 12 inches tall and 18 pounds, and with 1,700 SI, it gets our nod for the best budget pressure washer for boats. Reasons to buy: space-saving design with plenty of pressure, moderately priced, foot-activated on/off switch, available in several configurations and SI ratings. Reasons to avoid: nowhere to store extra hose, must have a power source to operate. Follow the description link to get more information. Number 4. Generac 8874 Pressure Washer. Product details. The Generac 8874 pressure washer is the perfect choice for residential and light commercial use. It has an impressive 2,900 SI and 2.4 GPM, which provides plenty of power to tackle tough cleaning jobs. The 50-state SIA RB-compliant engine is reliable and easy to start, while the onboard detergent tank makes cleaning simple. The pressure washer is also easy to maneuver due to its lightweight design. Additionally, several security features and onboard storage make it a great choice for anyone looking for a dependable pressure washer. Follow the description link to get more information. Number 3. SIMPSON Cleaning 3400 SI Gas Pressure Washer. Product details. The SIMPSON Cleaning 3400 SI Gas Pressure Washer is a great choice for those looking for a powerful and portable pressure washer. It features an impressive 3,400 SI of power and a 2.5 GPM rating, making it great for tackling tough cleaning tasks around the home. The Honda GX200 engine ensures reliable starting, and the included spray gun and extension wand make it easy to reach those hard-to-reach places. Plus, the 5 quick connect nozzle tips offer a range of cleaning options. Follow the description link to get more information. Number 2. Westinghouse WPX3200. Product details. Westinghouse WPX3200 gas-powered pressure washer. This pressure washer packs a powerful punch, delivering 3,200 SI and 2.5 GPM of deep cleaning water pressure, perfect for outdoor cleanings like decks, sidewalks, siding, fences, railings, garage floors, and more. With an onboard soap tank and spray gun, you can easily apply soap to the surface for maximum cleaning power. The Westinghouse WPX3200 is lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it an ideal choice for those looking for a great all-around gas pressure washer. Customers have given it amazing ratings overall for its great performance and value. Follow the description link to get more information. Number 1. Joe SPX3000 Max. Product details. Joe SPX3000 Max SI Electric High Pressure Washer. This is one of the most powerful pressure washers on the market. It features an 1,800 watt divided by 14.5 amp motor that generates up to 2,030 SI of water pressure and 1.76 GPM of water flow for maximum cleaning power. It also comes with an adjustable spray nozzle and soap applicator for more precise cleaning. The SPX30 is ideal for cleaning decks, patios, driveways, siding, and more. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe our channel.